Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sachin and I'm vlogging. I'm here to thank you guys for all the support you guys gave me, and we are close to 300, so please do subscribe and please share my videos if you enjoy it, and please do comment your thoughts in the comment section. So I will try to end the trip vlog in this, and let's see. This is some old notes.
잊고 살았던 게 너무 많은데 나를 포함한 모든 것들 우리 다시 돌아갈까
As I have told you guys in my previous blog, we try to explore many places in a day. So we didn't spend a lot of time in a place. We went there, we just explore to an extent where we could. And after that we rushed to another place, and this was a place that was very beautiful. It had a sea on all over the side, and it had a huge park kind of thing. And yeah. My friends, they were kind of tired, so I left them and went alone to explore other places. And to my surprise, I went to a place which was built near the seashore. I met them, they gave me a prasad, and this is the temple I'm talking to you guys about. You can see there's water all over there, and it gets submerged in the water every night, and people come and they rarely get a chance to worship it. And luckily I got the chance to worship because there was no water inside it. I went there and did my offerings, and I came back. It was going hectic, and on the plus of this, something else happened. The hotel where we were staying, they were like, we need to do our checkout at 10:30. They didn't inform us, but now they're asking us for extra money. We were not paying that for that. They're calling police and all of that. They're wasting our time, and it is around 1:40, and we need to board on a bus at 6 o'clock. Let's see how things go on. This is a very interesting part of our journey. And these other faces which were happy before and now because of this thing. All of this. They are sulking. We are on the auto right now. I did pay them 500, and we came to conclusion. And yeah, done with all of that. Now we are heading back to base again. One of the I recommended this. It's a very good place, and let's see how it will taste. Hi guys.
Welcome to my guys. Lagi kita di sini ya.
Welcome to my channel.
I happen to be.
Welcome to my guys.
This is sauce. Guys, how was the food? Please look here, guys. How was the food? Be like Bob. Be like Bob. Be like me. We were done with the lunch and we went to another beach. First, we were thinking of getting wet, but we didn't because we eventually went to return back again. So, yeah, it was Nagwa Beach Dew. We reached Nagwa Beach, and this is the last stop we are stopping. After this, we're going to head back. And we have our bus at 6 o'clock. We need to reach there by time. There are a lot of people out there. A lot of people. You can see that's a huge crowd over here.
Cái xin một tấm tiền không? Alo,
Yeah.
Ingat ya, harus ya.
Ui. Water, water. With this Nagwa Beach, now we're going to return. Start with a prayer.
यूट्यूबर है इसके वीडियो में आपको डालने से बहुत सेल बढ़ेगा ये बहुत बड़ा आदमी है
Đây đi, ra bà ra đi. Hey, thank you for helping us through this journey. Boarded on the bus, and this will be the last part. I'll be the ending vlog here, and see you guys in my next vlog.